So a few years ago, because of COVID, the Masters didn't allow patrons into Augusta National, and so they offered the Taste of the Masters, and it was pretty awesome. We decided to do it, jumped on it, thought it'd be kind of a fun experience to get to have all of this, and so we decided to go for it again this year, and trying to see if they've changed up anything, if it's any better than it was a couple of years ago in 2001. I think it might be. Look what has arrived. The Taste of the Masters box. So pretty excited. Masters starts officially tomorrow. Today was the par 3. This box arrived. We can't be in Augusta, but we got some good stuff in here. So I'm gonna open it up, show y'all what all we got. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Official Taste of the Masters. This is this. I don't know. Got some stuff in there. Program, I guess. We have some decorative table decorations. First thing we got here. Another box. Everything's branded, which is not surprising from the Masters. Yeah. So let's see. Ooh, okay. So this top one is the treat box, if you will. So we got it in here. We've got our cookies. We've got our chips. We've got our cups. The coasters? Masters coasters. Awesome. Taste of the Masters, branded. So we got a big sleeve of these, and see them numbered. Hold them up so you can see them. 2023 Masters cups. I think it's about 2 dozen of these cups. We've gone through, we had these a couple years ago. We've gone through these. They're great cups. They're awesome cups to have around the house. So we've got, of course, the branded chips, potato chips. Potato chips. And then we've got the official Masters chocolate chip cookie. So this is the main box here. So again, but this is the good stuff here. So get the package out. We got some foam wrapping, keep everything nice and cold. The ice packs. Get those down there. All right. Now here's what we've all been waiting for. Pimento cheese. Masters pimento cheese. I love this stuff. Pretty excited about that. The Masters egg salad. All right. And last but not least, the Masters pork barbecue. So just to let y'all know, like, we got this a couple years ago, same thing. Pretty fun thing to have, kind of going through. So I'm the only one in the family that likes pimento cheese and egg salad. So that was great. Surprisingly, the barbecue pork is probably one of my favorites. Surprising, I was expecting the pimento cheese and egg salad to easily be it, but the barbecue pork was good. So maybe I'll do a little follow-up with that, but this is pretty much it on what you're looking at. I mean, you get be able to have a little party, so we're hoping to have some friends together this weekend. A little excitement watching the Masters. And in case you were wondering, in this little bag, so we have toothpicks with little Masters flags, which that's actually pretty Pretty sweet. We have the official menu of what we have. So it tells you how to prepare these. So in case you're not sure how to prepare pimento cheese and egg salad, there you go. And in case you really need to get fancy, we have little holders, little name tags you can put for the items so that your patrons at your party know what to get and what they're getting. So pretty stoked about this. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Tournament starts tomorrow. We'll see who wins. I'm pulling for Rory. So Rory in our house, he's who we're aiming for. Hopefully he has a good tournament. But we just want an exciting tournament. It's always fun. The weather does not look like it's going to be great in Augusta, but we'll see how it goes. So go Masters. So the big question is, between the three, egg salad, barbecue, and pimento cheese, which sandwich is the best?